tomorrow is the big day. I'm picking up the truck this afternoon. It's ready to go. It's 5:24 a.m. Turbo sounds a little loud. We're heading to the cabin. Fingers crossed that turbo holds out. This video is about just how we're getting across Canada, how we're making out, and I'm going to show you some spectacular drone footage of Nova Scotia and some lighthouses.
In 600 meters, keep right to stay on Trans-Canada Highway, Manitoba 1 West.
Good morning. Day 2. We're in Winnipeg. We're going to try to hit Calgary. Let's clock some hours, click some kilometers, and get to Calgary. That's the plan today. We are now 10 hours, 14 minutes out. We've already been cruising for 2 hours and 11 minutes. So that's a 12-hour drive today compared to the 20 yesterday. Easy peasy. The reason I did yesterday such a long drive, I wanted to get out of Ontario, get into the Prairies, because the Prairies are an easy drive. Look how flat the roads are. We're cruising, making great time. The only thing you're gonna see next is some really cool drone footage that I took in Nova Scotia. I hope you enjoy it because it is beautiful down there. And if you know the areas, please down in the comments, let me know, or if you wanna know where they are at, or if you wanna know where some of these areas are, let me know in the comments and I'll tell you. Holy cow, that's a big guy.